trash out, man. Oh, baby, what's up on this? Oh, shit, man. Who the fuck ate my last pizza? Oh, maybe it was Donald, man.
What? Go and get that!
What is it, Donald?
Here's what we're gonna do today. Goofy, you're gonna take out the trash. Donald, you're gonna do this, okay?
I like doing shit!
I'm gonna put your fucking head in the toilet. Hey, Donald, can you take out the trash for me, pal? Well, I said take out the trash, Donald, right now!
Alright, I will do it! Oh my god! Stupid bitch! Shut the fuck up, bitch!
Oh, hell no!
What the fuck?
Get over here!
What the fuck? Stop!
Don't you ever wipe about that thing!
Hey, Donald, I have a huge surprise for you. Follow me.
Ooh, okay. What's the surprise, Mickey Mouse?
That's right here.
What the fuck?
Oh, boy!
What's up, Mickey Mouse? I'm stupid bitch!
Bala, Donald, can you keep it down? Thank you.
Shut the fuck up! Mickey Mouse, I'm sorry!
Bala, today's a good day to
Somebody, please! Shut your mouth! Oh, boy! Oh, yeah! Alright, motherfuckers, who the hell ate my pizza, man?
That was Donald, Goofy.
What the fuck?
Come here!
Bala, Donald, take the trash out.
Don't you take the trash out, you stupid bitch! Fuck you!
What the hell, Donald?
You never talk to me like that! Hey, Donna, do me a favor, take the trash out, you little bitch.
Excuse me, shut the fuck up, you stupid bitch! Go back to the farm, pussy!
Oh, hell no! Oh, you go back to the pond, bitch!
Yo, Mickey Mouse, I'm very thirsty.
I'll get you a glass of water. Here you go, Donald.
Thank you very much, bitch.
You motherfucker!
Yo, Goofy, I'm very thirsty.
Here's your drink. Oh,
Thank you very much, bitch.
you little bitch! Oh, you're out! Yo, Mickey Mouse, I'm fucking starving, man. Oh, you...
I don't give a fuck, Goofy. Make your fucking self a sandwich.
Oh, Goofy, shut the fuck up.
What are you talking to, motherfucker?